It was at this moment that Nathan knew he fucked up.
Oh, heck. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the GreenStuff from a garden cat. So in this episode I'm going to review some of succulent plant that I have ordered in online in last week. So here we have got the package. Right now I'm going to open this one, and from opening to propagation and planting of this succulent plant will be a full one video. So hope you'll watch and learn a lot of things about soils and how to plant and how to care of these succulent plants. So yeah, let's start it. So I'm going to just quickly open the package. I hope this not destroyed, because it took about 7 days to come from a place. That place is a bit far from this Dhaka city, so I'll be afraid of this. Oh, this is one beautiful succulent. I think I'll be more clean in this video because I need to open this fast. These are the things. Yeah, I shall look into that. This is really amazing one. I don't know the name of this, but I'll make sure that I'll get back to you with this species names and all. So the roots is coming out from here. This one they didn't give any podding. So what they does, like they have given by wrapping one newspaper in that. This one is really beautiful. I love this plant. This one is very hardy. This kind of, again, in a family of aloe vera. So I have another plant. It's called Aloe aristata. This is what we call Aloe aristata. It's really nice one with the small tiny dots. I'm going to this up here. This both is quite similar in species, but well, let's see. Yeah, this is what I thought. It would be kind of like onion, and this root system is really hard. The thing is, today I was going to buy this one from a nearby nursery, but what I thought is, I think I have ordered from online or something. Now finally I got this Z plant. Opening the amazing one succulent. The amazing succulent that is long awaited things I want to see. So finally, these are the stuff that we have done. This is one of amazing one that yeah. Organic soil mix that we have made at home. So this sort of soil you also can make at your home, and this is so easy because here all you need is that 30% of your compost. It should be well decomposed, and this is sand. This is regular construction sand. You need to wash well, huh? So otherwise there is a lot of dust and everything, so that will make drainage problem for your plant. It will die. This is dried moss and the plant leaves mixture. It's also decomposed, so it will be good for the mixture. This is also a bigger stone for the construction people are using. So after that we are using the charcoal, and here what we have is the perlite we don't have. So instead of perlite, that we'll be using this brick stone. This brick stone I have separately taken only the small pieces. So this is the same size as perlite has, and the works what they will does is totally same. The perlite is doing like is holding water inside it, so this parts also doing the same work. So you can definitely use this one, and I will recommend, as I have done a lot of research on the making soil for the cactus and the succulents. So this will be the best thing to use. Coco peat normally we are not recommending, but I had to give, as I am giving some of my cactus plant, so I will be using only 5% of coco peat in this mixture. So well, really excited to plant my first succulents plants. So let's see, and keep watching till end, because there are some more process. For the drainage system, if you have limited access to get any sort of that mesh or kind of something that holds the bigger hole to getting out the soil, so you can take that mesh fabric or any sort of mesh bag from your home and cut this off at proper shape.